guys, we're at
105 Degrees.
I'm Jonathan.
I'm Vicky.
I'm Jess, and today we're here to react to Jeong Sewoon's When It Rains.
Damn, all of these like rain scenes and like
I
the
miss
fall.
rains.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's just that season, you know?
Yeah, I feel it. Damn, once October hit, everyone just like coming out with the slow ballads.
Not hot girl summer, but emo girl fall.
Ooh. But he's all alone in the diner.
Just waiting for that refill that'll never come.
Oh my
Damn.
gosh.
I really hope he like pulls out the guitar or something, because that's his like, you know, staple. Oh no. No!
Why?
Okay, before we got a good happy ending, now we're just...
Where'd she go?
No! Damn.
Oh my god.
No! That could be really creepy.
Yeah.
No.
How many times does she have to fade out of
Dude,
it?
Thanos like...
Oh my god. Just be like, peace, and it disappears.
But it's all a dream. Man, how many like times has he been in his diner?
The whole time.
Shit. And there's no one else that's coming in. No. Oh.
Oh, so cute. Who even uses phone booths anymore?
Honestly though.
People who don't have phones.
I'm sorry for...
She's back. It was all a dream.
Wait. This is so cute.
Why wouldn't you let her win? That's freaking rude. Just kidding.
Wait, no, we're back to the
I'm
loneliness.
so confused.
Maybe he's just imagining that she's still there, you know, but she's
Where'd she
isn't.
go? Where did she go?
And there's the rain. I just realized the song's called When It Rains, and this is the only rain scene we have. But that's fine.
Maybe it's a metaphor.
Yeah. Oh, how was that, Jessica? Because you really like Sewoon, right?
Yeah, I didn't even know he was coming back.
Fake. What a
But
fake.
I'm sorry, but I really like him, and I really like his voice, and he always like continues to like show his vocal ability, and
Yeah, dude. I wanted to see him whip out the guitar. I'm just sad. Come on, you gotta continue that.
maybe next time.
Yeah, yeah.
I wonder who the girl is. Are we gonna see her on the next produce?
Oh.
Like freaking Eugen.
Okay.
We'll see.
All right. Bye, guys.